German. Go ahead, man.
Can't even do it.
Quick update. I'm now in the shop. Oh, that's a cool cabinet. And cleaning everything up. Obviously for painting purposes. And then we have this lazy bastard over here, you know, taking 5 years to sand 2 fenders. But you know, it is what it is, right?
No, I'm actually doing it the right way. Yeah, like a mouth. That's my name.
Like a true man. The progression on the brushing out some. He'll explain it in a second. What's going on?
Great video.
Yo, your man. Go ahead, man.
Can't even do it.
Skip that. You know what? I quit. Forget it. I quit. Stop recording. I
Wait,
quit.
that was the intro of the video. What are you talking about?
That made me want to just go home, throw up, and go to sleep. I swear to God.
He wants to lay down with that image in his head.
Dude, that just made my stomach go. Come on.
So, what are we doing here? We're taking everything that's not going to everything that's not going to be immediately clean. Everything that's not going to be immediately painted is going to my garage. I don't know, but it's mentioned already. But what we're essentially doing, we're not replacing the entire panel. We're going to cut these out, cut this whole section out, and replace it with the metal. So you see all those lines there. What I'm doing is, you cut out those little pieces, and we're just going to essentially patch up the spots. The whole thing isn't really bad. They're just, you know, those spots are like really bad. So we're just gonna replace those and then take it from there. And also over here, we got all the sanding done. Not done, but in the works. Took out all the dents. I mean, it had like a lot of deep scratches and stuff. Yeah, on the fenders. The fenders were like really, really bad. We got Marky over here rubbing shit in and then rubbing shit out, you know? That's that one. Oh, this one's, I haven't got to this one yet. Yeah, this one's getting pretty smooth. Yeah. That's as far as we got. Literally not even 24 hours later. And we're like a good amount done, so yeah, keep it posted.
Push the window out
A little bit, he said. A little
I said a
bit.
little bit. He almost smacked German with it. Hey, hold it right here. German.
Yeah, it's recording my iPhone, you know.
Hey, you're recording him. He's recording you. Recording everybody. Oh my God, that is so innovative. That's fine. Honda, if you fart.
Oh God. Don't air that shit out over here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Shit, Marky. God damn. Jesus Christ. The window out.
See, that's good for him because that fat. No offense to the fat people out there. You guys are the coolest. this fat son of a right here, his name is Mamau. Yes, that's what he is.
This is a whole lot of turbo sound going off in the video, bro.
He farts, and he doesn't care. He'll go and walk around going like this, like a freaking salsa dancer. Because he's shaking all the fart.
Judge 25 to life. What out the pocket?
All day. 30 years to life. 30 to life. Yeah, it almost did. That's probably what broke in my finger.
No, I'm sure they could figure that one out.
There'll be a couple of. The whole video is gonna be. You're ready here. Welcome to.
Tell them this on your turbo's gonna
Little eBay turbo that only got up to 4 psi.
The turbo that thought it could.
What up, pimps? Here at another day of Let's Be Serious, we're saving the SI.
Did you just say let's be serious?
Yeah, let's be serious, guys. This is not a joke.
You gotta be kidding me.
Huh?
A bunch of morons in a shop fixing cars. How serious can that possibly be?
Serious enough, because it's gonna get a Be Serious motor. You're just gonna cover with noise. Sounds good? Sounds good.
Yeah, all right.
I'm Sean, also known as Monster Built. This is my 1993 Honda Civic Hatchback SI.
92.
93. As you can tell, it's in a million pieces. My point of this car is I want a really, really clean car that has AC, heat, every luxury, power, everything, and be clean as shit. But I also want to drive it everywhere. I want to daily this car. I want to get this car to the point where it's like you see it and you're just like, my neck. Yeah, I guess that's it.
It's yellow.
That's Marcus. We call him Fat Cat.
So,
Or in this video, he's now entitled Mau Mau. He's a body guy, prep guy. He pretty much does whatever if you sacrifice $10. Yeah.
Wanna introduce yourself, Marky? Or
what?
anything else? No?
I mean, I don't really do much other than prep doors and kind of sand stuff down and.
The door prepper.
Yep, door prepper, body prepper.
Ooh,
I guess.
get the. All right, next on the chopping block.
Taking this all light. Hold on, it's too dark. Hold on. Oh, it's even darker now. There you go.
There we go.
Go ahead.
My name is Yorman. I'm doing everything.
I do nothing.
He does nothing. I do all the heavy lifting and everything that needs to get put on the car that's heavy. I'm gonna help out. Whatever needs to be taken off. That's.
So you do what Train Monkey?
I do. Yes. I do pretty much what these little cats can't do. I can do when it comes to strength.
I could do anything. You
And when they want me to do something else, I just tell them.
You know what his
can't
famous
even do
saying
it.
is?
Can't even do it.
Can't even do it.
Can't even do it.
Guess what he can do?
Everything.
Last but not least, on the chopping block is Manuel.
It's actually Jose.
It's Manuel.
Well, my shirt today says.
Oh, wait, wait.
Oh!
Too zoomed in, hold on.
Suckers!
on
It
his penis.
says my real name, but I'm the shop owner. My shop's name is Gianna's Auto. I'm here pretty much to supervise these four morons, make sure that they're doing it right, because if cars leave my shop looking like crap, it gives me a bad name. So, with that being said, I have to make sure that Monkey Boy over there lifts things up and puts things down the right way.
Put things up and put them down.
The Mamau, Marcus, aka Mamau, follows instructions and actually does things that we tell him to do. And then Sean, aka Monster Built, he actually follows directions. So, it's more of he'll get it done when I tell him to. So, yeah. I hope you guys have fun with the series and. He's gonna say something.
There we go. Just leave it right there. Yeah, right there. I'll go in frame.
Ah, the camera guy. Yeah.
Now, as far as this guy goes, he's kind enough to let us use his shop, so shout out to him. It's 49 Lafayette, but if you ever type in that address, you'll never find it. So just go to Auto Haas and go across the street. You'll see either a really bright green Civic or a really orange Fit. Either or is
Or the
Oh,
his
red
car.
Teggy.
The red tag is never seen from the street.
We gotta introduce the Arab.
The what?
The Arab.
Oh, yeah, that's in a second. Nonetheless, let's introduce.
You can't.
Wow, that was really bad pointing finger. But anyways, what's up? I think by this point you know who I am already.
They pretty much know me and you at this
Yeah.
point.
So yeah, I'm probably gonna be the hands behind the camera. Whatever I can do, I will do. I'm gonna help like sand, help take a whole bunch of stuff apart. So I'm like a Swiss Army knife. I can do anything. You can do better.
Well, thank you for watching this video, guys.
This isn't the end.
Oh, can't even do it.
Sucker.
Cut.